Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial for submitting applications for the Howard Foundation Fellowship via the SurveyMonkey Apply portal. First, navigate to the Foundation's SurveyMonkey Apply page by clicking the link on this page or by pasting howardfoundation.smapply.org into your browser. Please read this home page as well as the further descriptions for eligibility and category descriptions at the top of the page. A frequently asked questions page is also provided for your reference. Once you have read through and are confident that you would like to continue, please click the Register button in the upper right of the page. Enter your name, email, and create a password. Passwords must contain 8 characters and at least one each of the following: an uppercase character, a lowercase character, a number, and a special character. Please complete the reCAPTCHA I am not a robot quiz and create your account. A verification email will be sent to the email you provided. Once you are email verified, return to the home page and select Login. Once you are logged in, you will see that you have no active applications. Please view programs to begin. You will see our only active program for the fellowships in History and Creative Nonfiction. Please select More to continue. Please read through the description one more time, and if you are ready to apply, click Apply on the right-hand side of the page. You will be asked to name your application. This will be your last name and project title. You will also be asked a 2-question eligibility quiz confirming that you are eligible by both living and working within the United States. You may now begin your application form. It is the first task to select on your task list. Please follow the instructions. Your name shall be populated. Make sure it is correct. Next, select the field you are applying in, the title of your project, your professional status. If you are applying as part of an institution, you may put the school or institution you are from in your position. If not, you may select independent artist, scholar, or writer. Your mailing address. Confirm the email address shown as the email address you are using for your application. And review the eligibility requirements one more time. Select I strictly meet the criteria if you have read everything and it applies. Also enter the last year that you completed your PhD, MFA, or other formal degree. If you fall outside of the guidelines, you may select the second option, and then you must describe why you fall outside the guidelines but believe your application to be in the spirit of the requirements. If you have your own web page or other URL that you would like to be included with your application, you may select this, but this is purely optional. If you do not have one, merely select No to move on. To continue, mark as complete. You'll now be able to review your submission. Please read the instructions for uploading your project description, and then add project description via attaching the file. The file will be here if you want to review it, or you can mark as complete. You will see your checklist on the side as you complete your application. The next step will be uploading a CV. Please attach your CV. You may preview it here as well, and mark as complete. Your next task will be uploading a writing sample. If you primarily work off the written page, you may also submit a video here, but we prefer a 20-page writing sample, up to 20 pages, minimum of 5 pages. We'll attach that file here as well, and then mark as complete. Your last required task is to click the letters of recommendation requests. You will need 2 individual letters of recommendation for your application. Note that these referees should not be close collaborators or otherwise have a conflict of interest. Please read the instructions. Then click Request a Recommendation. The instructions are here as well. You can put a personal message to the recommender as well. They will receive the instructions as well as your personal message. Repeat the process for your second letter of recommendation. Along with any personal message, you should include in the messages area your relationship to the recommender. You'll be able to confirm that both letters of recommendation have been requested here. None of your recommendations have come in yet. This number will change as they are completed. You may mark as complete now. You've now completed the 5 key tasks to your application. There are 3 optional tasks that you may choose to complete that will help the foundation in its outreach and to better improve our process. These are not necessary to complete your application. You do not need to wait for your letters of recommendation to be received in order to submit your application. Those letters will be due by November 15th. Once you have reviewed your application and are ready to submit, hit the Submit button here. You will not be able to make any changes once you have hit the Submit button. You'll then receive this notification saying that your application has been accepted. Once we receive your letters of recommendation, your application will then enter the first round review. We will make announcements in mid-January if you have advanced to the next round, with the final selections being announced mid-April. Please visit our website FAQ page if you have further questions, or email howard_foundation@brown.edu with further questions. Thank you.